ayaan guribiray waxaan guulhantii waqtaan go'aan isla gaarnay goor siyow kalgacal wuxuu galan helaa markay labo gudboon isu gaar noqdaan ayaan guribiray waxaan guulhantii waqtaan go'aan isla gaarnay goor siyow kalgacal wuxuu galan helaa markay labo gudboon isu gaar noqdaan gacantaydii dumarkaarido.
What's up, everybody? This is Xarbilive. We're here in Puntland, visiting a beautiful city called EYL. I'm going to be showing you guys around, showing you guys the wonders of this historical site. You guys are going to enjoy everything you see, and talk to you soon. Take care. Peace.
anigu kolka weecan maayo adoo wehelkayga doonay waraabe ku siini maayo axdigiyo wadaajirkeena anigu kolka weecan maayo adoo wehelkayga doonay waraabe ku siini maayo dalashadena waqay ana xorimayo walalkay dimashadiisa warmaqa waafaysan maayo wanagiyo dalashadena waqay ana xorimayo walalkay dimashadiisa warmaqa waafaysan maayo dhaqankeena waara anigu weydayni maayo hidiyo wadankan ku faano waraaqa ku doorsan maayo jacaylkan wadaafinayno macaanay uwan qalayno way dhankayga ka wiiqmi maayo hidaha dhaqankeena waara anigu weydayni maayo cidiyo wadankan ku faano waraaqa ku doorsan
And it is the origin of Said. Everybody knows. The direction that we'll be going towards EYL, a beautiful city in between hills. As you're looking, he's going down the hill. That's in between the hills. You will see a beautiful city. Over here, walking down towards EYL, in between the mountains. It's amazing. We're here in Puntland. Take a look behind me. Take a shot. You guys are looking where that cliff is, where that little small, you see that little right there, that little small cliff. You see right there that there's a small, it looks like a cave. That'll be an unbelievable shot right there. Unfortunately, there's no way in hell we're gonna get up there. Go back down the hill. As we're walking, oh, actually, I can walk. Beautiful place. I'm gonna try not to shake while I'm walking. Wish I had stabilizer with me. Don't, but it's alright. This is what you get when you're walking down the terrain of Africa, specifically Puntland, Somalia. I'll tell you this, falling down this hill wouldn't be fun. That's one thing for sure. Look at that drop. Look at that drop. That's not funny.
kalsoonidu waa muhiime sidaan adigu wakiishay uwayne gurigalkeena
الله aynaan iswaay haddaan wacanay yeshiinay walaaci naga dhammaaye alo aynaan iswaay alo aynaan iswaay aynaan iswaay
kalsoonidu waa muhiime sidaan adigu wakiishay uwayne gurigalkeena
الله aynaan iswaay
kalsoonidu waa muhiime sidaan adigu wakiishay uwayne gurigalkeena
الله aynaan iswaay haddaan wacanay yeshiinay walaaci naga dhammaaye alo aynaan iswaay alo aynaan iswaay aynaan iswaay
kalsoonidu waa muhiime sidaan adigu wakiishay uwayne gurigalkeena
الله aynaan iswaay
Go down here. Shortcut. It's called a shortcut. Let's see where my buddy's walking. Just don't want to slip. Is he looking at the terrain down here? It's not. Yeah! I found a shortcut. Shortcut one hele. Mesha marisid. Wasoo wareegtay anigana dhinacani meel ka fududana. I found a shortcut. Mesha marisi. Yes.
Come on.
All these thorns, you gotta be careful. You don't fall into any of this crap because it's all slippery. Look at the terrain. Whoa! This is not a joke. Falling down would not be funny. And getting poked by these thorns won't be funny either. Nah. Hey. Yes.
garashiyo wanaag xaq dhowr wacan iyo dulqaad idiyo dhaqan iyo xishood midii lagu xeerayay xurmiya garashiyo wanaag xaq dhowr wacan iyo dulqaad idiyo dhaqan iyo xishood midii lagu xeerayay
That's where we came from. That's what I was talking about. Falling down, that would not be fun. I wonder what's inside these rocks. Wow.
Look at that cage. Guri ma moodaa? Friend weeg. Gudihiisa daa gashid.
Yes.
Qatar waay.
Wallahi weeg yahay.
Soo dhaweyn kadaa.
Haa, soo dhaweey waa kaa.
Ahmed, iskor fadhiga maanta.
Ahmed, ya. Ya. أنا محان كهلا ماشي بيها مريم كهلا هكذا يدس
أنا دوب أنا
وين محان أوكي وين خدوبي وين واحد قدر أي هذا واقع زوا بس عورة هذا على يدوب يدوب واقع كان
يعني ما الله يبغوني لكن يدوب بكون ناس أنا جارجة والله
ما أنت قدر
واحد قدر
أنا أحمد
أنا
كتوك حقاري قروي
أنا صعنا عيل مقالة تاريخ الدار
أيل
سيد ايوه
انت ذاك اللي حيطلع
قلبي You know we have dogs in Ale.
Are there dogs here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? No, I heard Puntland on Dunham Island.
No dogs available.
No.
That's what I thought.
Throughout Puntland, no, it's
No.
impossible.
That's what I thought. Imagine I يا بيها مريم يقفكي جودن هكذا أجي corner كنا أم أمضي.
حرمية قرشيو وناك حق نور وعنيو دلقات بدي دقنيو حشود بدي لغو حيري بدي لغو حيري حرمية قرشيو وناك حق نور وعنيو دلقات بدي دقنيو حشود بدي لغو حيري بدي لغو حيري حبيبتان دونياي مركان حبيي كتبو جركا حبين وكعو حسوستا ذا قلبيقا وسوى حاذيرتو حسيلي قورتان كوهلي حسيلي قورتان كوهلي حبيبتان دونياي مركان حبيي كتبو جركا حبين وكعو حسوستا ذا قلبيقا وسوى حاذيرتو حسيلي قورتان كوهلي حسيلي قورتان كوهلي حريرت لداوديو افتنكي حمر بلاي حريرت لداوديو افتنكي حمر بلاي حلكي قرح ذاته مياي حبيي عيد كله معاكو حقيري كرتا معاكو حقيري كرتا حريرت لداوديو افتنكي حمر بلاي حريرت لداوديو افتنكي حمر بلاي حلكي قرح ذاته مياي حبيي عيد كله معاكو حقيري كرتا معاكو حقيري كرتا كسميمو كوعن حنيكو مقالو مصي حقتين انا نعب ما هلو قباتاي حيلا جنوي قباتاي حيلا جنوي أذاحي الكسميمو كوعن حنيكو مقالو مصي حقتين انا نعب ما هلو قباتاي حيلا جنوي قباتاي حيلا جنوي انتي حسلكي حبان حقيقة سرية dunida xay aan ku ahay xilkeennoo aan gutiyo qoyskeennaan xumaan ka jiro ayaanu xilsaarahe xasilay goortaan ku helay intii xusulkay xabaa xaqiiqa sareeya oo dunida xay aan ku ahay xilkeennoo aan gutiyo qoyskeennaan xumaan ka jiro ayaanu xilsaarahe xasilay goortaan ku helay xariirta la daawadiyo iftiinkii xamar bilaay xariirta la daawadiyo iftiinkii xamar bilaay xulkii quruxda tahee miyay xubiyey cid kale macaan ku xaqiiri kartaa xariirta la daawadiyo iftiinkii xamar bilaay xariirta la daawadiyo iftiinkii xamar bilaay xulkii quruxda tahee miyay xubiyey cid kale macaan ku xaqiiri kartaa
tagaa
sharaftana garadi qof abaal galaa adba loo gudaa axdi lala guraa
ballantana gadede inta geejisaa gabdha laga xushaa guri lala tagaa
sharaftana garadi qof abaal galaa adba loo gudaa axdi lala guraa
gaaridaydii kaasiraadilo uma gabi karee adla guda xeerka
You filming, huh? It's the wondrous. You know what?
Yeah.
We're gonna also film the Mohamed and Abdirisak's village.
Yeah.
Look here how close we are.
I know.
This is called
Look.
Akudafe Haywusodin.
This place is called Akudafe Aikusoden. Meaning in English, let me pass you before you fall.
Yes.
Let me pass
Fall
you
down on me.
Let me pass you before you fall down on me. That's the translation in English. And this is just look how wonderful it is. They got this road built right on the side of the mountains. Look how high we're going up there. You can climb all the way to the very top and see the Indian Ocean from the top of this mountain.
Use the window.
Look at the mountain. Look how high that is. You can climb all the way up there and see the Indian Ocean from the very top of these mountains and these rocks. Some of these rocks are just massive. They look like rocks that are going to fall right out off the mountain, but they're just hanging in there. That's the reason why we call this place Abdilatif. It's translated in English, which is let me pass and don't fall on me. We're heading right now to the other side. It's like two different towns in one city, and they're separated by just a mountain. One town's on one side, and the other town's on the other side facing the Indian Ocean. We're going to the north side right now, where it's more or less like the market. You see a woman right now climbing, walking down this trail. It's a great place to walk also. Cars go up, but the majority of people in this area to walk around and do their daily exercise. My driver that's with me right now is my dear friend Abdinasir. He'll say what's up. Say what's up to Xarbilive.
Hello everybody. We are enjoying EYL, and I'm very happy to bring my friends all the way from Hargeisa down to EYL. So I hope everybody will enjoy with this video.
That's a school, some school in.
Look this scenery. Stand here.
Xarbilive. Video, come on.
Yes.
Yes. Xarbilive, we're back here again. I want to stop here and just let you guys look at the beautiful scenery that we got here. As you can see, the water behind me right there is like a small little river that's connected to the Indian Ocean, coming all the way down towards the other side of EYL, on the other side of town. I don't want to fall off these rocks, but yeah, there we go. Let me keep my balance. The great thing is there's rocks everywhere. You can do rock climbing, you can do hiking, you can do swimming, everything out here. And the thing that's amazing about this area is the fact while you're doing all these different things, it's just the beauty of it. You're enjoying looking around the landscape. Sometimes I just get so amazed looking around and thinking there's something new every time you look to the left, something new every time you look to the right. And with Xarbilive, I want to make sure you are also with me and looking at everything that I'm looking at and enjoying this beautiful experience with me. I'll see you guys soon. Follow me now. What's up, everybody? We're gonna start with these beautiful mountains in Sheikh. As you're looking on this side, you see the mountains surround the whole city. It's all located all around, and we're also surrounded by the Red Sea. We're gonna hit the sea later on this afternoon, but for now, the mountains are just spectacular. A lot of people like doing mountain climbing, so these would be one of the things that you can do here in EYL, is climb these mountains and enjoy the view from a very high location. As you're looking over here, you can see the mountains are all in different shapes. Some of the mountains have caves. So these are places where kids can go in and explore and enjoy and see the different wonders of this beautiful historic city.
kalsoonidu waa muhiime sidaan adigu wakiishay uwayne gurigalkeena
الله aynaan iswaay haddaan wacanay yeshiinay walaaci naga dhammaaye allow aynaan iswaay allow aynaan iswaay allow aynaan iswaay
kalsoonidu waa muhiime sidaan adigu wakiishay uwayne gurigalkeena
Look at this beautiful little resting area for all of you people that come and want to visit EYL. You guys can come down here, have a picnic with your family. You can see the cultivation. I'm going to zoom in down there. You can see the farmer over there by the grass, and it's constantly working. You can see him all the way on the bottom. I zoomed in so you can see him, but they're constantly working to make sure that everybody that comes and visits and enjoys this fresh and beautiful air. What's up, everybody? This is Xarbilive right now in Puntland, one of the most amazing cities in all of Puntland. It's called EYL. EYL has got to be, I'd say, the most beautiful place I've been to in the world. And a lot of people don't even know about this place. But we're lucky and fortunate enough to be here right now with our dear friends from the PDRC, Puntland Development Research Center. And I would like to go ahead and give my appreciation for them inviting me out here and showing me the wonders of this historical site. We're going to look at different That was good in Somali even. Ha.
ganacsiga magaaladan waxa uu jiraa oo lagu qiyaasaa 2 qarni ilaa 3 qarni inuu jiro xaafadan hadeertaan aynu ku sii dagayno waxa la yiraahdaa daawad laftigeeda haddana 2 qaybood u qaybsan halkan hoose ayna ka hooseysa waa magaaladii hore waa arki doonaa dhismayaal aad qadiib u ah halka dhinacaas kore ee dhismayaasha ka muuqda ilaa wax ka sheeyna ay tahay magaalada hadda cusub maamulka iyo halka ay degan yihiin meeshan waxay ahaan jiray saldhigii uu fadhiyay muxuu ahaa sayid Mohamed and Abdirisak waxaana uga dambeeyay Talyaanigii baa isagana deganaa beertan weyn oo aad aragtaan waa beer weyn oo cajiib ah hadhow tabaad arki doontaan iyadana waxay ahayd beertii uu Talyaaniga ka beeray dhismayaasha horteena waa halkii uu Talyaaniga fadhiyi jiray magaalada waa magaalo qadiimi ah marka waad arki doontaan
Look at the walls. As you're looking at, these are all right here. This is where they have different vegetation. This is where all the farmers plant all of the natural vegetation out here. Where you're seeing many different things. I've noticed a lot of date trees, and the date trees are actually very beautiful. You can see them over there, very high. Now we're in the old market. Over 100 years back, this is built by the Italians back in the colonization period. And as you can see, they were living in luxury. Look at the top of the mountain where they can get the best view up on the top.
See? Nobody lives here.
Nobody lives here. This is all abandoned, yeah. These abandoned houses?
People moved outside, upper side.
Yes, on the other side.
Yes,
So all of these houses, you're looking at all these doors. You can see the locks on the doors.
There's some people now coming back. Look this.
Yes, some people are coming back. Yes, but a lot of the people have left here for what reason, you think?
All
Yes. So a lot of people have moved to the other side of the mountain, towards the Indian Ocean.
This is the Lego house, SYL house.
This is the SYL house.
office. Yes. That if someone can see that Somali flag.
Where's the Somali flag?
It's in
Right
between,
on
as
the
a
little small
watermark.
window?
You see the watermark?
Yes, yes. Now I see that.
Yes.
This is called
This is the
what
office of SYL, Somali Youth League.
There we go.
Back
Somali
in
Youth League.
1960s
1960s.
and 50s.
And also, you can see the Somali Youth League actual documentary that was made by the PDRC. Where can they see that?
This PDRC YouTube.
Yes. So everybody on Xarbilive, make sure you tune in if you want to get more detail on the SY.
This is Abdilatif's house where he born. Gurigu ku dhashay waa Abdiqawi. Abdiqawi waa Deputy President of International Court of Justice.
Deputy President of the International Court of Justice.
Abdiqawi.
Abdiqawi. Is he still alive?
He's still alive. He's just re-elected.
He just got re-elected to a
Yes,
new
2
term
weeks.
now.
Yes, 2 weeks.
He just 2 weeks
This
ago.
is the house he born.
This is the house where he was born. So does he come here and visit?
Not these days.
Yes. So maybe after he sees Xarbilive and sees this video, he may be engaged into wanting to come back and look at where he grew up.
And these people, I requested him to establish the first law school in
In EYL, to establish the first law school. That's a great idea. Because as we all know, education is very important, and everybody that's here, there's a lot of youth here. So it'd be great for a lot of the citizens that used to live here and grew up here to come back and give back to the community.
Yes. There's some dust getting in.
Here's where the farms, right?
Yes.
Here's some of the cultivation. You're looking where they closed off. In Somali, they call it sarar, correct? Sarar. Mesha Hiran.
Yes.
Look on the top of the mountain, you can see some of the houses. That's where you're probably gonna get the best view. There's a lot of farmers here. As you can see on this side also.
Look at this newly paved road.
This road is just built now. As you can see, we're driving on a newly paved road.
No.
This road just made right now. This road has just been made. It's just been paved right now. Where are they connecting the road from?
No, it's Magala.
So the next step then would be to put the marmara.
Yes, but there's a new project just launched, a paved road that will connect EYL to Garowe.
So there's a new paved road that's going to connect EYL all the way to Garowe and make it easier for people to come and visit.
Yes, and it's going to be infested by the Chinese.
So now if they're going to connect that, so this would be a tourism site now.
Yeah.
Once the road gets connected, this would be a location for people to come for a vacation.
Yeah.
Especially foreigners that are out there enjoying themselves, going to other cities like Hawaii, going to Vegas. Why go there when you can come back home and come back and look and get even more pleasure by seeing beautiful scenery with a wonderful ocean and enjoy the same luxuries, but except this time you'll be with your own people.
Yeah.
As you can see, the houses are separated. There's a nice space for multiple vehicles to drive through here.
The guy, he switched off his phone.
Even after you send them the money?
Yeah.
That's my danger. That's what I was thinking. That's the issue. These are big trucks that come in to drop things off, I'm guessing, to restock this small community. It's almost as if the small community is cut off from everybody.
Yes.
Look at this nice little pink house here. Actually, it's a restaurant, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, I caught the kid running. Yes.
Here's the bed.
Now this is Said. This is his house, right?
Say yes.
Said, this is his house here. You can get a little bit of close-up look. This is the house of Said, we're actually right now. Welcome back to Xarbilive. I want you guys to see some of the historic sites that we're looking at. One of the sites is very important, and everybody knows this very clearly that lives here in EYL, in Puntland, Somalia, which is this building. This building was owned by a man who was a strong man that's well known, recognized. His name Said. And Said had this grew up. This is a building he owned. This building is a couple hundred years old, believe it or not, and still standing almost as if it was built yesterday. So that's how you know how important and historical Said was to this community, that this building has not been touched. It's been in the same exact as it was. This building that you're looking at that was owned by Said is called Dawud. That's it. Derte Dawud. So this building's called Derte Dawud. Derte Dawud in English is translated in
Derte is the custom.
Custard. Yes. So Derte Dawud right here. You can see there's some shops. Some shops are on the bottom right here. But the building is amazing. I want to show you another site right here. Almost still in its right position, just like Said's house here. It's the Italian commander's house. The Italian commander, because the Italians are the ones that actually were the ones that colonized this area and this region here in Puntland. And this building, as you can see, the commander made sure he ended up having a house strategically placed in a position where he can overlook everything. This house is perfectly set where you can look on both sides. He's actually on this side, but he can also see everything because he's on top of the mountain. And it's strategic, it's nice, it's actually wonderful. As you can see, the commander, the Italian commander, was living in luxury. He wanted the best location in the whole town, and this is it right here behind us. Obviously, it's abandoned because it's historical right now. Nobody's touched it. We want to keep it the same way as it was so people remember. You see, this is look at this. This is unbelievable. You can see the different types of trees here. This is where you can say the farmers have all of their vegetation and everything's here. You can see these trees. I wish all of Somalia and was built like this. You can see trees like this is a dream. Like they still have it. So beautiful right here. All of this is so clean. The air, the wind, you can feel it. And it's closed out and anybody can go. Everybody's welcome, by the way. See, when you do come visit EYL, make sure you visit this beautiful area right here where you can see the trees and the farmers are down, and they can also let you know the different types of vegetables. This location right here that you see right behind me with all these wonderful, different, beautiful trees is a nice little park, a resting area. So if you do come visit EYL and want to see the nice, beautiful area called EYL, you can come down here, relax, bring your family, have a picnic, and enjoy the view. Look into the caves and go all the way out to the Indian Ocean at the very end, where you'll be able to see a lot of these wonderful, exotic areas that a lot of people around the world don't even know about. I'm hoping, just as I'm happy to be here, that you too will also come and visit and see how wonderful Puntland's EYL is really all about. Xarbilive, I'll see you guys soon.